Meaning of graveyard shift.
Graveyard shift.
Graveyard shift.
Graveyard shift.
Graveyard shift. The term graveyard shift refers to a work shift that typically runs during the late night hours, often from midnight until early morning. This term originated from the fact that people working these shifts may feel as though they are surrounded by death, as most people are asleep during these hours and many businesses are closed. Graveyard shift workers often face challenges such as disrupted sleep, social isolation, and increased risk of health issues. However, some people prefer this shift due to its quieter environment and potentially higher pay rates.